So this morning, my power steering sounds super loud. I think I'm gonna have to refill it. I hope I don't have to replace anything else. My bleached ass shoe. Yeah, that shit is loud. You hear that? Empty. And my coolant. Oh, that's not that bad. But, yeah, I'm gonna have to go to the AutoZone.
Do that one. I ain't never did this before, no. Yes, sir. You gotta look. Dude, I'm leaking a lot of. Dude, I wish I had a lift. Should come loose already, dude. Nope. It's probably like a 15. Okay, I lied. No, my crescent wrench is all over pooping on me. I'm gonna need these. They're not loosening it. We over here. We have nothing better else to do but work on your car. Yes. Yes. Oh. Dreams, baby dreams.
Everybody got a crowd. Dance masters, look how they total pole. Those in the niggas still ain't moving forward under pressure. My PC culture dress me as the GOAT like they called the fucking 3-piece sofa. I'm known as the chosen. Finger to the burst of glorious. That was God said. Some of my old teacher and she has how little shit I've been through. Better me than you, I must confess. Stop running for y'all niggas.
It's hot. Maybe I should mark it with that.
We later is Mayday, so you return the favor, we stay up
I hope this works, bro. So I got that other seal in here and the one right there. Check out the old one. Yo, that's so bad. Crazy. So I put everything back together. We're looking solid. I was looking from right there. Perfect. Subi gang.